The question given is an object is placed at a distance of 40 cm from the concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. If the object is displaced through a distance of 20 cm towards the mirror, so the displacement of image will be. So the initial object distance was 40 centimeter and focal length is 15 centimeter. Then the question says that the object is displaced 20 centimeter towards the mirror. So what is the displacement in the image of the mirror? We have to tell that. So we will see that here according to the formula, that is 1 upon f equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u, we will get the value of initial image distance. So initial image distance was minus 24 centimeter. Now the object is displaced 20 centimeter towards the mirror. So u2 will be now minus 20 centimeter. Now again applying this formula. So after applying, we can find the new image distance. The new image distance will come out to be minus 60 centimeter. So now we have to tell the displacement in the distance of image. So now the image distance is 60 and initial it was minus 24. So after subtracting these, we will get the final answer, that is displacement, which comes out to be 36 centimeter.